Hey guys, what is going on? Just making a video to tell you what I've been doing in the past few minutes. I've been writing a letter to Boris Johnson, our Prime Minister in England, just to tell him that I'm not happy with car insurance the way it is. I want there to be changes, and I'm hoping that he'll implement changes so that you don't get ripped off for living in a bad crime area. I want young drivers to be not penalised because they're young. They've had to take a very hard driving test in comparison to people who passed 20, 30 years ago. When you pass your test in England, you keep your license for the majority of your life. You don't have to retake a test or anything like that. You've got it as long as you don't screw up and get points in your license. So what I'm saying is, it's wrong that car insurance is a license to print money. I want it so it's fair, you know, you know, but I don't think it is fair. I think these companies just want to rip you off and make a bunch of money for them. And when it comes to renew, they don't want to put the prices down, even if you've not had any crashes or claims. They don't want to be in a situation where they're losing money. They want to always keep the pressure on you so that you're playing their ball game, and they're making money off you every year, regardless of whether you're hitting something or not. They make money every single year. They're insuring you in case something does happen, and that's the way they make money. They try and give you all these extra deals and add-ons and great offers so they don't have to give you any cheaper rates. All they do is just give you more stuff, key cover, you know, all these types of things, breakdown cover. They throw in everything so that they're still getting their £1,500 or whatever it is they're getting off you. They don't want to be losing a penny of profit that they're getting off you, because if you don't have a claim, if you don't make any claims, they make money. If you make a claim, they make money. They always have a way of screwing you, and I think that possibly the way Theresa May changed the fact that you use your credit card, you're still spending money, but then you've got to spend, you're going to get charged money for using the credit card. Theresa May changed that so they can't charge you fees just to use money that you're going to have to pay back anyway. I'm hoping by writing this letter online to Boris Johnson might help the situation, and maybe he might reconsider it. Maybe I'm being naive, maybe I'm being stupid, but I know they make a lot of money off it. But I'm hoping that something can be done to change the way car insurance works, and for the better. And I'm really hoping that it does make a difference, and I'll leave a link down below just in case any other naive, silly people want to try and write a similar message about this topic or other issues which annoy you, about this country. But for car insurance, it's a big one for me. It really annoys me that you're paying your insurance year after year, and you don't get anything back other than the fact that you're insured. But if you look around, you always see these advertisements on the telly talking about how there's over 1 million uninsured drivers on the road. Well, shouldn't they be doing something about those 1 million uninsured drivers? Shouldn't there be, something that can be a benefit for us paying car insurance, or does that just make us look even stupider for paying car insurance if there's 1 million people getting away with it? Obviously, you don't want to be taking that risk, but people don't pay, TV license and water, stuff like that, and they get away with it, so there's ways around things. But obviously, if you want to play life straight, then maybe do what I'm doing and send a email to the Prime Minister and hope something happens. And who knows, maybe if enough people are like-minded, something might change. Just a small thing, really. Small change could make a lot of people's life a little bit happier. Not mine would be if I didn't have to pay so much money every single month out my bank. I could save and do things with the money rather than throwing it down the drain, in my opinion. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say about that. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.